Jaguar's car portfolio is getting bigger and bigger. Now they attack cars like the Mercedes C-Class, the Audi A4 or the BMW 3. The reason for that is easy. They say the new Jaguar XE is unique in that segment.
Lightweight is the magic word for the new Jaguar. Aluminium is the weight-saving material for 70% of the body and, for example, the integral rear axle.
But for us, the real big story is the technology. It's an all-aluminium architecture that delivers the lightest vehicle in its segment, which delivers the best fuel economy and the lowest CO2 values of 99 grams per kilometer and a fuel efficiency of 3.8 liters per kilometer.
Not only less consumption, but also dynamics will bring these slimming aluminium advantages to future XE drivers. Even in the middle car classes, driving a Jag should be something special. With the new XE, Chief Designer Ian McCallum has created a car that starts at the tail referencing the sporty Jaguar F-Type and finishes at the front looking reminiscent of the larger Jaguar XF.
A Jaguar always has to be extremely dynamic, even if it stands still.
On the drive side, the British have developed their own engines for the new mid-size model from the so-called Ingenium family of engines. The base diesel produces 163 brake horsepower and uses only 3.8 litres per 100 kilometres. Jaguar F-Type 3-litre supercharged V6 with 340 brake horsepower. Looking at this performance, everything quickly becomes clear. Jaguar attacks the German premium models of the middle class at their peak, not at their base. The price range for the new Jaguar XE starts at €36,500. This is hardly competitive pricing. However, if you look closely at the Briton with its extremely extensive features, price is clearly not the point.
Even more than Jaguar, the sister brand Land Rover seems to be on the perfect track over the last years. Here in Paris they present the new Discovery Sport. It's a replacement for the Freelander.
This could see Land Rover conquer in the 4.5 meter class with its compact SUV.
The Discovery Sport has probably one of the easiest themes: better looks, better drive. It does more, it looks greater. A vehicle that offers far more space in the interior. You can change the second row by 16 centimeters. That gives you a knee room which is equivalent to the big Range Rover. So we offer more space, more versatility, more practicality in the segment as never seen before.
After the serious sounding Discovery, the addition of Sport marks a premium compact SUV. This places it in first class with some serious competition from the BMW X3, Audi Q3 and Mercedes GLK. The elegant design fits perfectly with the overall design language of Land Rover. The proportions of relatively low window line are reminiscent of the smaller, highly successful Evoque. With innate values, the new Disco Sport includes space for up to 7 people in 3 rows of seats, a laser-based head-up display, and of course the choice between spirited front and seemingly unwavering 4-wheel drive with traditional punch. Just a genuine Landy in the compact format. As much for the boulevard as for the steep embankment.